In this video, we are testing the ODrive OA1 magnetic encoder in our autonomous robot. We are a robotics team that competes in the EU robot competition. This footage from our national finals in Germany shows our robot in action. During the competition, we had this AMT212B encoder. It's a fine encoder, but because of our setup, it was really hard to align it. The magnetic encoder is contactless, so it should be much easier to align. Here is the CAD design for this change. I will turn on section view so you can see it better. On the right is the new encoder, and on the left is the motor. On the motor's shaft there is a cone that holds the magnet. The encoder detects the rotating magnetic field as the magnet turns, which is why the magnet needs to be polarized across its diameter, unlike a normal magnet which is north on one side and south on the other side. We need to 3D print this pink bracket and the blue cone. Here I'm putting some heat set inserts into the 3D prints. I'm using the Stealth Press 1S. We recently built this and have been really liking it so far. I'm also using my old TS100 soldering iron, and the tip and the inserts are from CNC Kitchen. I will put links to all of these tools in the description. Now I'm just attaching the encoders to the brackets with some bolts. I appreciate that these encoders use the same connector and the same pinout as the old one, so we don't have to change our wiring. We can even easily switch between the two types of encoder. It's also cool that it has a connector for the motor thermistor. Using this would make the path for this connection more direct and would clean up the sketchy splicing. Here I'm putting the magnets on the shafts of the motors and screwing the 3D printed part to the motor. And finally screwing the brackets from the bottom. I reattach the plate with the motor drivers and plug everything back in. These motor drivers are also from ODrive. They're the ODrive S1, and we've also really been liking these. I plug in the USB cable so I can see the ODrive web GUI. I have to change the configuration to use the new encoder and press apply. Then I can see the live position data in real time as I move the motor shaft. Thank you very much to ODrive for giving us a discount on these components. This video was not sponsored by ODrive. All opinions are our own.